Ever wondered about the educational landscape in the Philippines? It's quite diverse and structured. The system is governed by three main bodies: the Department of Education, the Commission on Higher Education, and Test Day. Their collective efforts span from early childhood education through the K-12 program and into higher education. They also oversee technical and vocational education and training, ensuring a wide array of learning opportunities. The Philippines takes education seriously, with a system in place to cater for everyone, from toddlers to adults. Education in the Philippines begins at a tender age. Early childhood education is readily available and caters to children as young as 3 years old. This stage includes two important steps: kindergarten and preparatory. Kindergarten is a vital stepping stone, helping children develop their social skills and basic literacy. Following this, children move on to the preparatory stage, where they begin to build a solid foundation in reading, writing, and arithmetic. The journey then progresses to the basic education stage, structured within the K-12 program. This program is divided into kindergarten, elementary school, junior high school, and finally, senior high school. In the latter stage, students can choose a career track that aligns with their future ambitions. The K-12 program ensures that every Filipino child gets a comprehensive basic education. After basic education, students have several paths to choose from. They can pursue undergraduate and graduate studies or skill-based courses offered by TESTA. The Philippines boasts a variety of school types, including international, local public, and local private schools. For expat children, these options are particularly diverse. International schools, often the preferred choice, offer globally recognized curriculums and a multicultural environment. Private local schools are another viable option, offering unique programs and a high standard of education. Homeschooling, increasingly popular, provides flexibility and personalized learning. Each of these schooling options presents its own advantages, allowing expat families to choose according to their specific needs and circumstances. With a variety of schooling options available, expat children can easily fit into the Philippine education system. Learning in the Philippines isn't limited to children and teenagers. Let's talk about the opportunities for adult and continuing education. Universities and colleges offer a plethora of graduate programs and certificate courses. And if the traditional classroom setting isn't your cup of tea, the open university systems could be your best bet, offering flexibility and convenience. Now, if you're looking to learn a new language or enhance your current language skills, there are numerous language classes available. Online learning platforms have also grown in popularity, offering a wide variety of courses. Community education through workshops or classes in community centers is another great way to learn. And let's not forget about TESDA, a key player in providing technical and vocational education. From language classes to professional development, there's always an opportunity to learn something new in the Philippines. The educational landscape in the Philippines is indeed diverse. It's crucial to weigh your needs, plans, and financial capabilities when choosing an educational route in this vibrant country. So, whether you're a local or an expat, the Philippine education system has something for you. Stay curious and keep learning.